Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the Bank Nifty target and what is the Nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end. I'm not responsible if you have skipped the video and you have not listened to the given instructions in the video and just overview the levels and you have taken the trade. You may enter into the loss. Okay, if you listen to the video and watch the video what I'm going to say in the video, just watch the everything, every video, every level, what are the instructions given in that level. So just follow that level and follow the instructions given how to take the trade. Of course you are experienced, but there is some instructions given for that particular given level by me. If you have not followed that level, that instructions, then you may fell into the loss. Okay, and then you can't able to make the profit on my calls, on my views. Okay, so we stick to the levels which was given in the video, note down the levels, and whenever the level is triggered, and follow the instructions, then only you can take the trade. Otherwise don't be excited to take the trade. Be calm, be patient, so then only you will able to make the profit in the video, in the trading. Okay, don't feel excited, don't be greedy. Whatever the profit you got, you may take it. Okay, so I request only one thing: don't skip the video, watch the video till end, then follow the instructions, take the level and exit at the given targets. Okay, thank you, thanks for understanding. If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding. So now let's jump into the market. How the market has performed today, that is of 5th April 2021. Today Nifty 50 has lost 229 points, which is of 1.54%, and has ended at 14,637 points. Nifty Bank has lost 1,179 points, which is of 3.48%, and has ended at 32,678 points. Nifty Next 50 has lost 318 points. Nifty Midcap has lost 149 points. Nifty Financial Services has lost 517 points, which is of 3.25%, and has ended at 50 in 392 points. If you see the advances and declines, there are 13 advances and 37 declines under the Nifty 50 today. So the top 5 gainers under the Nifty 50 for today are HCL Tech has gained 3.19%, TCS has gained 2.40%, Wipro has gained 2.28%, Britannia has gained 2.25%, Infy has gained 2.15%. If we see the top 5 losers under the Nifty 50 are Bajaj Finance has lost 5.74%, IndusInd Bank has lost 5.54%, SBI has lost 4.49%, Eicher Motors has lost 4.26%, M&M has lost 3.92%. These are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today, that is of 5th April 2021. If you see who has contributed majorly for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today, major downfall of the Bank Nifty today has happened because of HDFC Bank has contributed 300 points out of 1100 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. ICICI Bank has contributed 290 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 136 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. Kotak Bank has contributed 121 points. SBI has contributed 119 points for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. So measure these 5 banks has contributed for the downfall of the Bank Nifty today. As every time I used to say in every video, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are the major contributors either for the upside of the Bank Nifty or downfall of the Bank Nifty or that particular trading day. If you are unsure about the trend of the Bank Nifty at that particular time on that particular trading day, you just go to the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank chart and check whether it is a uptrend or whether it is a downtrend. If it is an uptrend, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are in uptrend, the Bank Nifty will also go in uptrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are in downtrend, the both are in Bank Nifty will also be in downtrend. So this is a key note for the new users, for the already returning users. If you are not noted down, if you are not noticed, please remember this point when you are trading at any time in the index. So now let me share the results of the given views for today's trade. So on 1st April, Nifty 50 has closed at 14,865 points, and today Nifty 50 has opened at 14,837 points, and I have given the sell call at 14,815 and made a low of 14,460. So 14,460 is the low and 14,815 is the sell call initiated. A 400, nearly 400 plus points, 300 350 plus points has gained under the Nifty 50 today. Maybe you have booked your profit here. If you have not booked, it's over. But my call was triggered and we went to our level, which is of 14,460, made a low of 14,460. Now let me share the results of the given views for Bank Nifty today. So on 1st April, Bank Nifty was closed at 33,905, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 33,649, and I have given the sell call at 33,750 or somewhere. And let us assume we have taken the sell call at 33,600, which is our next target after 33,680. So let us assume we have taken the sell call at 33,600 and it made a low of 32,330, almost 1,300 points downfall was happened initially. And hope you guys book your profit here, which is at least here 100 points, 200 points, 300 points, 400 points. You may have the chance up to 1,300 points. Otherwise, if you have continued your trend till end of the day, at least you must have booked at least 750 points if you have taken my trade. Okay, hope you guys book your profit in today's call. Almost every day we are getting the profits. It's because of the technicals, not on my assumptions or anything. It's because of the purely technical analysis. By reading the technical analysis, the credit goes to that. Now let me share the Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 6th April 2021. So today Nifty 50 was closed at 14,649 points, and our buy call will be activated at 14,685 for the Nifty target of 14,700, for the Nifty target of 14,725, 14,740, 14,770, 14,810, 14,880, 14,935, 15,000, and the final target of 15,040. And you must be very careful between 14 above 14,800 to 14,850. There may be a chance of getting reversal from here, so you should be very careful in between this. And as well as if you see this from here 14,700 to 14,780, first this gap has to be filled. For to fill this gap, there may be a sideways will happen, so you must be very active in the market. After the sideways, we can't assume whether the Nifty will go on the positive mode or negative mode. That is whether it goes on uptrend or downtrend. So if Nifty 50 has continuous downtrend to also tomorrow, that is of 6th April 2021, our SAR call will be activated at 14,600 for the Nifty target of 14,580, for the Nifty target of 14,560, 14,530, 14,500, 14,480, 14,440, 14,400, 14,340, 14,280, and the final Nifty target of 14,210. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow, that is of 6th April 2021. If you have not noted down, please replay this video, watch the levels, note down the levels, and be stick to the levels which was given in the video. Now let me share the Bank Nifty prediction for tomorrow, Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis. So our buy call will be activated at 32,830 for the Bank Nifty target of 32,950, 33,050, 33,180, 33,230, 33,406, 33,654, 33,700, 33,800, 33,960, and the final target of 34,135. So these are the bank targets for tomorrow. You must be very careful between 33,700. If you want to see the uptrend, it may once the 33,700 as crosses, you may see the uptrend up to 35,000, 34,200 like that. Till then there may be sideways or maybe happen like that, and you must be very careful between here also, which is of 33, 250, 200. You must be very careful. There may be a chance of getting the reversal from here. And if the Bank Nifty continues its downtrend, our sell call will be activated at 32,560 for the Bank Nifty target of 32,440, for the Bank Nifty target of 32,290, 32,100, 31,904, 31,750, and 31,570, 31,310, 31,000, and the final target of 3885. So these are the Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow. Final target of 3885, and then final target Bank Nifty final target of 33, 3650. So these are the Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow. As I every time said, if the Bank Nifty has goes open gap up, gap down below this level, then wait till it crosses this level, then you can take the trade here. And at the same time, if the Bank Nifty has opened as a gap up above this level, wait till crosses this level, then only you can take the trade at this level. Like the same way in the Nifty also, if Bank Nifty has opened above this level, wait till crosses this level. If it opens a gap zone, below this, wait till crosses this level, then only you can take the trade. So these are the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow, Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So now let me share the Nifty options for tomorrow. Once Nifty 50 has crossed this level, which is of 14,685, he or she can take the strike price of 14,750 CE. And once the Nifty 50 has crossed this level, which is of 14,600, he or she can take the strike price of 14,550 PE. So note down the levels: 14,550 PE and 14,750 CE. These are the Nifty options for tomorrow. Now let me share the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. Once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 32,820, 830, he or she can take the strike price of 32,900 CE. Once the Bank Nifty has crosses this level, which is of 32,560, he or she can take the strike price of 32,500 PE. So our Bank Nifty options for tomorrow would be 32,500 PE and 32,900 CE. These are the Bank Nifty options for tomorrow. And always be sure to make a stop loss order for each and every trade which you are taken in every trade. It will save your capital. It will save you from huge losses. Okay, for myself, I personally put the 1% as a stop loss order for my trade, every trade which I am going to take. Okay, and you can take the put the stop loss order as per your financial risk analysis and risk management. Okay, thanks for understanding, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friends and family members and well-wishers in Facebook groups and WhatsApp groups, and let me more reachable to more members so that many people will get benefit from this. Thank you so much. Bye, see you.